Welcome guys. So in this video we're talking about WhatPay Wallet Airdrop. Okay, so this is how to start on the project. Just click on the link channel, just look for the link below this video, okay, on the description, and get started. Then click on download for Android, which is APK, or download on ICU for Apple Store. So click on this now, download for Android. If you're using Android phone, click on download. Okay, after downloading the platform, now you open it. All right, so I already have it on my phone. So this is the app now. This is the app. Once you open the app now, click on these settings by your right hand corner, click on it. Okay, then click on sign in. All right, you'll be asked to put in your email address and get the code. Okay, you have to put in your email address to create your account. All right, click on it, then put your email address. All right, send code. They will send you a code to your email. Sorry, here's the code. Here's my own code. Click on verify and continue. Alright, and this is my own account. Sign in. I have to sign in because I already have an account on the platform. So once you are done signing in, you click on airdrop. Okay, then you can join this ongoing project. Okay, just click on them. Click on any one of them here. Click on join. Alright, you can see 10 BERAs each. Complete about 4 tasks. Okay, so follow them on S, put your S account, username, join the Telegram channel, and put your Telegram username. Then you will see verify on Telegram. Click on it. I've already done all these ones. Okay, so make sure to participate on it. Copy the referral link and don't change for some loved ones to also join the platform and stay active. So click on the next one. Okay, now $5 USDC each for each person. So just join or complete all these tasks and you are good to go. Then invite friends to participate. You can see people are receiving their rewards instantly, which you can also withdraw. Okay, instantly. This is going to take about, this one is 11 days. 607 persons have already claimed their airdrops for free. Alright, so you can just join. These are the former airdrops that was done. So now this is the new one currently. So make sure to stay active on the platform and participate on this platform. Alright, so you can also go through every single thing here. Alright, so make sure you are active. Click on assets. Okay, then you will see your assets. So this is the last task here. This is the last task. Click on airdrop. This is the last one going on. Click on it. You're going to receive 0.002 BNB each, which is about $1 point something. So the first one, you have to hold at least $1 USDC in your BSC address. Okay, so complete all these ones. I'm going to do these ones right away. Okay, so once you are done completing it, you claim your airdrop. Alright, so that's it guys, that's it. It's not that difficult. It's just a simple project to farm. Okay, then stay active. If you like this video, you can hit the thumbs up. If this is your first time on this channel, please do where to hit the subscription button, turn on the bell notification to stay updated. Once I drop any video, you get notified immediately. Okay, and don't forget to check the description of this video to get a link and get started, and also join our Telegram community for more exclusive updates like this. Alright, so do not miss out guys. Have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll be there to attend to you. Alright, so that'll be all for now. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.